your story? Go ahead.
When I was a teenager, every sound that my dad made, or especially my dad, every sound that he made, like with his mouth or something, it would drive me crazy. He'd be like, and I'd be like, Dad, stop making that sound. Even now, when I go to Texas, and like if I'm around him and he's eating, and he's over there like, just shoveling food, wiping his mouth and stuff, I'm just like, Dad, that's enough. It's too loud. It's too loud. You make a lot of noise with your mouth. I've been telling him that for at least 30 years. I've been telling him that for at least 30 years. But, dads don't care. So you'll have to get used to me about that as well. You'll have to get used to me making those sounds. Like, Dad, quit making that sounds with your mouth. It's like, well, I'm about to sneeze. Go get me a clean